Welcome to the interior mock-up of our new XC. This has been built to allow us to carefully explore and study the concepts of the interior of this entirely new model. It has been clear from the beginning of the project that the deck layout and the interior was going to interact in a quite unusual way for us, given that we have this semi-deck saloon layout. The mock-up makes it possible in a much more straightforward way to communicate the design intentions of the interior concepts. As a nice surprise, the mock-up also proved for a much more efficient decision-making basis than our usual 3D CAD reviews. The decision-making needed less discussions, as everybody more or less felt straight away what worked and what doesn't. To be sure, not just to evaluate what works in the interior with the yacht safely moored at the marina, we've designed the mock-up to be able to heel at 20 degrees to either side. And this is to simulate how the interior works ergonomically under a heel, which is a quite important aspect for a true blue water cruiser. Why a new XC? It has been both our own feeling and also expressed from the markets that it is time for a new successor, a more modern successor of the present X cruising range. A range that started out with the XC45 back in 2008. We are adding focus to long distance cruising, safety, ease of use, comfort, to create this new model for the XC range. Being a true cruising yacht, there's of course a focus on everything being able to be handled short-handed. That will become very visible in the cockpit and deck layout. Even though being a true cruiser, performance-wise we will still make sure that it carries the X DNA. That should remain our edge in the market for this type of cruiser.